In the heart of Paris, where cobblestone streets weave tales of romance and artistry, there exists an apartment that embodies the effortless elegance synonymous with the city itself. As you step through the wrought iron gate and ascend the narrow staircase, each step resonates with the whispers of history, leading you to a sanctuary that feels both timeless and exquisitely modern. The entrance opens into a sun-drenched foyer, where a vintage console table, its surface adorned with a curated collection of art books and a delicate vase of fresh peonies, invites you to linger. The walls are painted a soft, creamy white, allowing the natural light to bounce and dance, creating an ethereal glow that shifts with the passing hours. A large ornate mirror hangs above the console, reflecting the charm of the space while adding depth, making the apartment feel more expansive than its modest footprint suggests. To the left, the living room unfolds, a harmonious blend of comfort and sophistication. A plush, oversized sofa upholstered in a rich, deep navy fabric anchors the room, its cushions invitingly arranged, beckoning one to sink in with a cup of coffee or a glass of wine. The coffee table, a sculptural piece crafted from reclaimed wood, showcases an assortment of artful coasters and a few carefully selected art books, hinting at the owner's love for culture and creativity. Flanking the sofa are two sleek armchairs, their muted tones balancing the boldness of the sofa while adding layers of texture through the serre soft woven fabric. The walls are adorned with an eclectic gallery of framed prints and original artwork, each piece telling a story, a glimpse into the artistic soul of the owner. A beautifully aged tapestry hangs above the fireplace, its rich colors echoing the hues found in the surrounding decor, creating a cohesive yet dynamic visual experience. A soft area rug with intricate patterns reminiscent of a Parisian boulangerie grounds the space, inviting barefoot strolls and lazy afternoons. Adjacent to the living room, the kitchen is a study in chic functionality. Open yet intimate, it boasts a marble countertop that glimmers under the pendant lights, which hang low, casting a warm glow over the space. The cabinetry, painted in a soft sage green, provides a subtle nod to nature while maintaining a refined aesthetic. Open shelves display an array of artisanal pottery and glassware, each piece carefully chosen for its character, while a vintage ladder leans against the wall, adding an unexpected yet charming touch. The kitchen is not just a place for cooking, it is a space for gathering, laughter, and the creation of memories, where the aroma of fresh baguettes often wafts through the air. As you venture deeper into the apartment, the bedroom reveals itself as a tranquil retreat. The bed, draped in layers of crisp white linens and an array of plush pillows, promises restful nights and lazy mornings. A delicate canopy frames the bed, its sheer fabric billowing gently, evoking a sense of serenity. Beside the bed, a nightstand holds a single flickering candle and a well-loved novel, inviting you to lose yourself in its pages before drifting into dreams. The bathroom, although compact, is a sanctuary of luxury. A freestanding tub, its curves reminiscent of classic French design, sits proudly against the wall, surrounded by candles and potted plants that breathe life into the space. The tiles, a mosaic of soft blues and whites, evoke the tranquility of a coastal retreat, creating an ambiance that feels both refreshing and indulgent. Every corner of this Parisian apartment tells a story, a narrative woven from the threads of elegance, creativity, and warmth. It is a space that embraces the art of living beautifully, where each design element, from the furniture to the decor, reflects not just a style, but a lifestyle, one that celebrates the beauty found in simplicity and the joy of being at home in the world.